Hey, look, if you give me 5 shots, I'll give you a story. Give me something wide, something medium. Give me a close-up. Gotta have some detail and maybe a little action. Let's say you're making coffee. What you want to do is you want a wide shot, establishes the kitchen. The medium shot shows you at the counter. The close-up will show the cup. Details shows the coffee pouring. And action shows you taking the first sip. Same activity. Now it feels like it's a sequence. That's it. Man, listen. Join X Block Media tomorrow. We're talking about something more than just 4K.